हमारे शॉर्ट एंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सबका एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। यहाँ पर आप सभी को बिहार सिविल कोड और झारखंड सिविल कोड की आधार का डिक्टेशन हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे। डिक्टेशन की जो स्पीड रखी गई है वो 90 to 100 के आसपास की रखी गई है। और जो बच्चे पेड क्लास के हैं या बिना पेड क्लास के हैं वो सभी प्रयास करेंगे इसको लिखने के बाद टाइप जरूर कर लीजिएगा। मैटर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है पैसेज ये, और ये मिक्स मैटर है। इसको आप लीगल मत समझिएगा, ना ही प्योर, इसको जनरल ही समझिएगा। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। बी रेडी। Start. With every step towards increased urbanization, it is evident that the traffic on roads has increased. Full stop. Nowadays, each household in almost every city or town has at least one motor vehicle. Full stop. With this increasing traffic on roads, the probability of accidents increases. Full stop. The probability matches with the reality. Full stop. The number of road accidents is on the rise. Full stop. The reasons are many, like negligent and rash driving, dishonoring the traffic rules, unavailability of an efficient enforcement mechanism for traffic rules, inefficient traffic police force, etc. Full stop. The Motor Vehicles Act's recent amendment was done keeping in view these factors. Full stop. Para. This act majorly aims at ensuring road safety compensation for the victims of accidents, third party insurance, and the health of the vehicles. Full stop. Paragraph. In case the vehicles are not fit to be used on roads as they cause environmental damage and hence harm the health of others, they have to be returned to the manufacturers of the respective vehicles. Full stop. The manufacturers through this amendment are directed to take back these vehicles and have the choice to either reimburse or replace the defective vehicle with one of similar make. Full stop. Para. This amendment vehemently propagates the increase in the penalty for traffic rule offenders. Full stop. This is done in the hope that this increased fine would force the drivers to be more alert and careful on the roads. Full stop. This amendment provides more stringent rules for offences like juvenile driving, drunken driving, over speeding, overloading, and driving without a license. Full stop. Stricter punishment for those driving without helmets is also made in this amendment. Full stop. This amendment has provisions mandating the automated testing for vehicles for doing a fitness check. Full stop. Para. This would help improve road safety by removing from the traffic unfit vehicles. Full stop. This amendment makes a specific provision for those who deliberately violate environmental and safety regulations. Full stop. Para. This amendment promoted certification of automobiles after they were successfully tested. Full stop. The regulation of this process of certification was also proposed via this act. Full stop. In addition to this amendment of 2019 aims at setting testing standards and bringing the agencies issuing automotive approvals under the Motor Vehicles Act. Full stop. Para. Another major feature of this act is the provision for setting up of a national road safety board under the central government, full stop. This board is supposed to advise governments of all the states in addition to the central government on matters of traffic management and road safety, full stop. Provisions have been made for cashless treatment of victims of road accidents during the golden hour, full stop. Golden hour is the time period up to 1 hour from the time of the accident, full stop. This is the time period in which the chances of survival, if proper treatment is given, are maximum, full stop. An effort to make this whole process cashless is also made by this act, full stop. ओके, तो ये टोटल वर्ड आपका था 456 का। मैटर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है दोनों एग्ज़ाम के लिए, चाहे बिहार चाहे झारखंड के लिए। इसको लेकर के टाइप जरूर कर लीजिएगा आप लोग। और यहाँ की सूचना आप लोग एक बार ज़रूर केयरफुली रीड आउट करेगा, आप ही के लिए लिखी गई है। पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और टेलीग्राम लिंक शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज से ज़रूर जुड़ जाएँ। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।